Namaste, this is Kyra Anastasia from InspiredYoga.com. I'd like to teach you a very simple pranayama breathing technique that's really good for balancing both hemispheres of the brain. Breathing techniques also calm the nervous system and cleanse the respiratory system, so they're really good for immunity. So we're going to take the thumb of the right hand, and please make sure that you're sitting up nice and tall from the root chakra all the way up to the crown. Take the thumb and gently close off your right nostril. Take a deep breath in through the left. Use your pointer finger and hold your nostril closed and hold your breath. Lift up your thumb and exhale. Now through the right side, inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Hold the breath. Exhale. Inhale through the right. Hold. Exhale through the left. And let's slow it down a little bit. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Please continue on your own at your own pace. You can do this practice for 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes. Ending on the left side. And gently bring your hand down to your leg and pause. And just notice the effects. Do you feel a little calmer, a little more focused? Perhaps even a little more peaceful. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.